mar thieth kod lokruok mar kor lwasi noyaw kod jagoro e migawo mar thieth Mary Mudhoni e kaunti ma Machakos. Lokruok mar kor lwasi oyangi ni kelo midhiero e ngima oganda e kinde ma piny gore kod lokruogego. Piny Kenya osekale midhiero ma kamagi manokelo midhiero mar pi oula kod mamoko ma ohinyo ngima oganda. Jokanyo e migawo mar thieth oyango tudore kod jokanyo e keto chenro makare mar kedo gi lokruoge mahinyo ngima oganda.
The impacts of climate change are not just environmental. They are social, they are economic, and most critically, they are public health concern. The rising temperatures, shifting disease patterns, extreme weather events, and environmental degradation all have profound implications for the health of the population, particularly in low and middle-income countries like Kenya. But alongside these challenges, there are also opportunities.
The theme of this year's conference is Advancing Global and Regional Health Climate Action, Bridging Research, Policy, and Implementation for UHC. And this extends beyond Kenya, exploring avenues to leverage global and regional best practices, opportunities, and partnerships to facilitate universal health coverage. In Kenya, we are at the climbing lane of rolling out the universal health coverage. We are not looking back.